If you have potatoes at home, this recipe will surprise you. Start grating 250 g of potatoes. Look at this amazing texture. Transfer the grated potatoes to a bowl and add 85 g of grated ham, chives to taste, 3 egg whites and mix everything with great care. It's time to get hands-on. Supplement with 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Salt and pepper of the kingdom to taste. Come on, mix well until everything is well homogeneous and tasty. Heat a frying pan with olive oil and add the potato mixture, forming separate small dumplings. Do not forget to open holes in the middle of them. Let fry for 5 minutes and enjoy the smell that begins to invade the kitchen. Turn the brownies on the other side and fry for another 5 minutes. The expectation goes up there, right? Now comes the fun part. Add 3 egg yolks in the holes of the dumplings, hit the salt and fry for another 3 minutes. The magic happens and the color is irresistible. After this time, remove the dumplings from the pan and finish with a rain of chives to taste. Look what a spectacle! It's mouth-watering, isn't it? And there it is. Our delicious and nutritious nest-style potato dumpling with eggs, ready to be eaten. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to like it and follow our page for more wonderful tips like this. Good appetite and until the next culinary adventure.